So let's take it from the top. First of all, my bed is all made and it looks gorgeous and beautiful under this crystal chandelier, but it's missing something, and that is designing and styling a beautiful tray that just really is going to wow my guests when they come in to see this room. Now, I'm styling this tray right now in the primary bedroom of Amber Marie Manor. However, this is a wonderful styling trick for your guest bedroom because it's gonna stay there and you don't have to take it off every time you want to get into bed and go to sleep at night. It's wonderful if you're hosting an open house, maybe you're staging or decorating your home to sell. This is one of those designer hacks that's going to really wow anybody that walks into the room. Now, Mom and I styled, decorated, and staged homes for the Parade of Homes in Tulsa every year. And we are an award-winning staging and decorating team, Mom and I. These tips are what really helped us win, we believe. It's those extra little things that we did that really impressed the judges. So if we can impress the judges when we're styling and staging homes for the Parade of Homes here in Tulsa, we're sure that we can bring you those tips and you can use them to impress and wow your guests. I think if you apply these in your house or in your bedroom, you're gonna love this, your guests are gonna love it, and you're actually gonna be wowed at how well you can do this. First of all, I started with this beautiful tray. This is kind of a chagrin tray in a very neutral pattern. It's round with gold handles, and I'm going to place that kind of offset here. I have a really pretty footer on my bed that's gold, a white bedspread that's kind of a velvet, and I'm going to kind of put that at an angle on my bed, half on that footer and half actually on my bedspread. So it's going to kind of cut that line in half. In the primary bedroom, I am going to do a beautiful swan because I feel like it's just very elegant. It's very spring. So I have this gorgeous swan. It looks like an antique, and it's going to be my focal point right here on this tray. However, here's another designer hack you need to know. You can place this on the tray by itself and it looks beautiful, but I have colors of pink in this room and I don't have anything else pink to go on this tray right now. So, designer tip to make it really extra, I'm going to take this pretty cherry blossom candle ring and I'm going to place it down first, and that's going to kind of ground this beautiful swan to this tray and actually just add some color and some softness. I have a lot of hard items that are going to go on this tray, but this little cherry blossom piece makes it soften up. And I'm going to just put that right here on an angle, just like this, so you can see it when you walk in the door. Next, I have these beautiful Real Touch white tulips, and I'm placing them in an apothecary jar. And this apothecary jar is on a little stand, and that's going to add height. Now, one trick Mom and I did a lot to impress judges is we would actually take these tulips and we would add a little bit of water, and everybody thought that they were real tulips. And then we would spritz them with a little bit of perfume sometimes, or room spray. Literally, people would come up during the Parade of Homes and smell them and think they were real. So a great little hack is adding some water to this will really make them look beautiful and real. So notice this is going towards the back of my tray because that's adding some height and some airy freshness. So I just want to bring in a little bit of spring here. I'm going to arrange these tulips around. And don't forget, when you're arranging your Real Touch tulips, there's also another couple of design hacks that you can do. First of all, you want to arrange those little heads so they droop a little bit. When you bring home a beautiful bouquet of tulips, those heads always droop a little bit, right? Because they're heavy for the stems. So make sure you spread them out nice and then drape those heads just a little bit so that they look very realistic. Also, in your home, you're of course going to want to cut off all the tags, but these are Amber Marie Company products that are all found on our website. So for my staging purposes today, I'm keeping the tags on, everybody, okay? Don't worry. If this is for a guest bedroom especially, you want to have some water and some beautiful wine glasses for your guests to drink some sparkling water out of. Now, I love using these beautiful glass green bottles because they just look so fun and decorative. So I'm going to put those green bottles right here, kind of next to each other, just like this on my little tray. And then I have these really fun antique glasses. I've had them forever. They're etched and they're just absolutely stunning and gorgeous. They're some of my favorites. And so I'm going to put that on this tray as well, because it just adds a little bit of crystal sparkle to my tray. And then it gives my guests something really fun. Maybe I should offset that like this. There we go. Now, a decorative tray is not ever finished without a little warmth. And adding warmth can be a real candle or faux candles. I have these 3 faux candles, and I'm going to start with the tallest one out here on the outer edge. Then I'm going to go with the short, kind of a little trio. And then I need to kind of come in front to make sure I've done this right. And what I'm going to look at when I come in the very front is my heights of everything. Mom talked about in her maximalist video, if you watched it, a city skyline and what that means in decor. You can also start with a focal point and either swoop down, or you can have a focal point come up into a triangle. What I've done on this tray is a little bit more of a triangle, with the focal point, the highest focal point being right here in the middle. So I want to just make sure when I come around to the front, everything is evenly spaced and then it looks pleasing to the eye. I'm just going to adjust these candles so I can see everything and that it looks spatially accurate on my tray. I'm going to move my little wine glasses over so that they don't hide my sparkling water. So fun, so easy, and so inviting. And you can always add some chocolates or some little snacks to it as well. But this is kind of one of those evergreen trays that you can have always in your guest bedroom. No matter who is coming over, it just looks beautiful. And again, if you're decorating your home for a home tour, or if you're decorating your home to sell, this is also one of those really great design hacks that people love. So if you want a great trick that not everybody does, but it adds so much extra, this styling tray is wonderful. All right, friends, I hope you love this tray. Comment and let me know what you think about this styling video. Of course, we always love to read your comments, and we're so happy that you have joined us here on our channel. And please let me know what other videos you would like to see, because that means the world to us. We love bringing these styling tips and tricks to you. It's funny, we sit down and try to think about what other video we should do, what we should share with you next. And it's amazing the knowledge that we have that we don't even know that we have it. And I started thinking about the tricks and all the things that we have done and used as we've styled parade homes over the past 10 and 15 years, and what we've done to win first place year after year. So some of those design hacks and tricks that we pulled to really impress those judges are what I'm trying to show you, and this is one of those. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button for sure, because we want you to follow along on all of our adventures, and we appreciate you so much. That subscribe button means the world to us, because it helps us move our channel along and really just gives us that oomph to keep on going. So thank you so much. Your comments mean the world to us. And of course, we invite you to shop ambermarieandcompany.com, where you can find all of these beautiful products if they're not already sold out, because they sell out fast. We'll link as much as we can in the comments below, and we really appreciate y'all so much. And what do you think of the Manor bedroom? Isn't this dreamy and gorgeous? I tell you what, sleeping here at night is an absolute dream, especially under this crystal chandelier. Oh, it just makes you feel like a princess. Thank you everybody so much, and I will see you guys really soon.